Little fandom, welcome to my YouTube channel, Miss Queen. Have you heard about it? That there are some people who are more successful than the other, but the some people are stuck in their same job, same routine, and imperfect personality. So they don't want you to know the secret. I'm going to tell you the secret which will actually make you the most successful person in the world. Yes, in the world. And the secret is reading a book. There are 5 most important best self-help book. If you read in your 20s, you can achieve the best success in your world, and you can actually shape your personality. So there are 5 books. Is The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. This book is actually help you to realize your true potential of your subconscious mind and make your desire true. The number 4 is a Japanese book. It is a very difficult right now to find our passion and true purpose in this distracted world. But this particular book will help you to tell that what is your real purpose, and it can actually bring a lot of joy in your life. And number 3 is this is the mind-blowing book. When I read this book, it is really mind-blowing because it help you to overcome your procrastination and actually increase the productivity of your life. And the second and the most important book is Atomic. First, we make our habit, and then habit make us. So it is very important to build a very good habit. This particular book, Atomic Habit, will actually help you to know that how can you build small habit so that it can bring a large changes, and it can really make you and build you. And if you make bad habit, then it can actually revocate you, it can actually completely destroy you. And the first and the most important book is Think and Grow Rich is the most important book, because everything starts from the mind, and from the mind there is thought. If you make your thought positive, how can you make your thought in a positive manner? How can you shape your thought for success? This book will actually put you in a right direction and give you the right footprint and philosophy for success. So if you like this video, watch this video, comment below. If you want more and more video, just tell me in which topic you would like to make. Watch this video, it will really change your life. This is my claim. So thank you. Love you all.